then what do they search for? So we've got Pepper's actually put an example up here of Adobe. He can relax with it, he can chill with it. He obviously likes his own space and his own vibe. So for him, it's really important that his sound system will kind of like feed into those kind of like behaviors for him. You need to really understand, okay, where does your consumer hang out, so you can understand where you can actually go and speak to them. You can't just blanket and put everything out there. You need to be really targeted and go to where they are. That sharp point is what will help you justify your price. So for instance, if it was the fact that I needed a product that made me look slimmer and my product had an inbuilt corset that pulled my waist into the back, that's a selling point. Also, what I find people do is and I think it's more so in Nigeria, where you have to produce items in a way that you can't necessarily always mass produce them. So it pushes your cost up quite a bit. So I find that Nigerian designers sometimes outprice themselves in the market. So there's a way that I work with in terms of looking at my pricing. If you have an item that you want to charge 10K for, do you understand? So instead of going to the market and buying something that's 100K and you make a few items and you pay the tailor off and you pay this and this, and then you're trying to charge, like, it doesn't add up. So you could ask them stuff like, okay, how did you find out about my clothing before contacting me? Why did you buy my clothing? Why will you continue to buy my clothing? What do we do that others don't do? Don't neglect the wealth of information that you can get from your current customer. Yeah, because they're your customer. They come to you just off the bat. You probably haven't done as much advertising as you will do, or positioning as you will do, but they're still there. So you should find out from them as a baseline what they love about your product.